guys, and welcome back again to another episode dito sa aking channel. Welcome to Norman Explores. This is Norman. Kumusta po kayo? I hope everyone is having a great day, having a great start of their day. Kung first time mo to na makita yung channel ko, maraming salamat. If this is your first time, please like, comment, share na din, and also subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Officially, wala akong trabaho and it's not doing good. Kinakabahan ako kasi walang sagot dun sa mga in-applyan ko. Yes, it's almost a month now na walang work, jobless, kaya I'm a little bit anxious, but I'm still hopeful na something will come up, something good, something positive. And while waiting for work, yan, gupit muna ako. Okay. Still looks good. Alam mo yung ganito pag wala kang trabaho, ang daming tumatakbo sa utak mo. It's not, it's not easy. But at the same time, sabi nga nila, at least nakakapag-rest ka. But that feeling na hindi ka sanay na wala kang work, especially na your work is your bread and butter. You're the only source of your income. Kaya, okay ba siya? What do you think?
For a chance to win up to 930.
And that's for today's episode. Maraming salamat po, guys. Thank you for joining me for today's episode. Kung bago lang kayo, please subscribe. You can also like, share, and comment para naman sa ganoon makilala ko kayo. You can also share kung taga-saan kayo so we can also exchange kung ano yung mga pwede natin pagkwentuhan sa mga susunod na episode dito sa Norman Explores. Maraming salamat and keep safe palagi.